Hey there, today at Bennick Auto Sales we have a 2018 Ram 1500. It's the SLT model, crew cab, four-wheel drive, got the nice alloy rims, lots of tread left on tires. It does have the Hemi, black with chrome, always nice. Bottoms of the doors and the rockers look good. Heated seats, air, cruise windows locks, all the usual. It does have the big stereo system. 73,240 for kilometers. Got all the steering wheel controls, power mirrors, all that good stuff. Again, excellent shape. Does have the fold out rack, so if you want to put your stuff in there, it does do that on both sides.
106.5 106.5 FM.
Again, excellent shape. There's the SLT 4x4. As you can see, no liner in the box. No, that's a big deal. It does have the rear view camera, which is nice. Full hookups for the trailers. Again, excellent shape, no issues. And it, let's see, it does have the original box. So, if you're looking for a really nice little vehicle, by little I mean big, this might be for you. You can always give us a call. The number is 519-507-1471. And this is Noah for Bennick Auto Sales. Have yourselves a great day.